Welcome to Jotech Media.
Hello guys, today let's quickly learn how to use this online tool called Canva for graphics. Canva is a smart online tool that are used to design stunning and beautiful graphics. If you are a social media content creator, maybe you have a brand, you want to promote your brand, a company, Canva is the best tool for that you can use, maybe for presentation, for banner, for any kind of graphics proposal that you want, any kind of graphics you want to do. Canva is just a perfect tool for you to use, and it's been done in a way that you can use their template to fasten your work. Let's head on to canva.com and see what I'm talking about. If you haven't created an account before, they will ask you to create account, which is to sign in. You can sign in with your Google account. Yeah, you can sign in with your Google account, and or you can manually sign in by putting your email and password. So now when you open your Canva environment, all these are the work I've done before with Canva, man. But beside that, if you open your Canva, just head on to templates. Meanwhile, if you are just opening Canva for the first time, they will tell you welcome and all that. The screen will not be like this. Just follow the procedure, follow the way they are telling you to do. They may want to take you through how it works, something like that, but just follow it and you head you to where it will land is just this kind of environment where you will see your template, project, home and brand and all that. So now at the home, that is where you will see some of the projects, your recent projects and all that. But when you continue scrolling, you may end up seeing okay, templates. Now at this home, you can see media, mobile, video, Instagram, poster and all that, sheets, doc, whiteboard, presentation, social media, photo editor. And if you scroll here, you'll see there are still many there: whiteboard, presentation, and so that video, website. You can even do website with Canva, customize size, upload and more. So now Canva is a very great tool that you can use to achieve anything you want on in your design. Let's go to the template and see. Let's say we want to design something that will put on our social media. So select social media, then it will give you different sizes of social media, provided you do not take either Facebook, Instagram or any of the social media. Now you can select anyone you want. I think this particular size are perfect for Instagram, this one is perfect for Facebook and all that. Now let's quickly look through, select one. Let me select this one. Okay, beside that, as you select that one, when you scroll down, you see that you have similar designs that are related to what you just selected. You can see if this you selected is not the best one for you, but you can see those that are closely related to that particular one you selected, and from here you can go ahead and do your thing. But let me select this one again. I like this one and I'll select customize. Before we go on, you see some of them are having this crown symbol. Anyone with crown symbol is a pro this thing is a pro design, and you have to be subscribed to Canva before you can use it. But the shocking thing about Canva is it has the cheapest it has the cheapest subscription. With less than 1,000 naira, you can have access to Canva that you can use for one complete month. And if you need that, you can inbox me. Okay, this is the template that we have selected, and if you want to add, you can add a page, and you see a blank page has been added. Let's delete that. And over here, if you want to This place is to lock this place. Only allow replacing content. You see now. So now you can lock this particular this thing. It's lock page. Now you can open it back by clicking that. Now you can duplicate by pressing here. You see now we have two of them. One down. This is one. This is another one. This is how it's been done. Then like we add page from down, we can add page from here also. Add page, and page will be added. A blank page will be added between these two. So now let's delete this. Yeah, and delete the second one so that we can be left with one. It's locked, so let me unlock it and delete. If it's locked, you can never delete it unless it's unlocked. That is when you can delete it. Now let's head on to this particular, all these things you are seeing at the side. You see this design, for instance, you don't like this design, you want to change it, or you added the page and you want to put a design on it. Let's work on this. Then you can come here, come to this particular design. You see more different templates that you can add to that particular one. More different plain templates you can add to that, provided you don't like the one you selected before. See now, you can select something like this. If you want to zoom in, you see this line that is here, there is one ball cycle here. You can zoom, hold on to that, zoom in, zoom out. You understand? Zoom in, zoom out. For instance, you are working on this particular area, you can zoom that particular, you can zoom in. You understand? Scroll up so that you can see what you are doing clearly. You understand? Then if you are done, you can zoom back. This is how it's been done. Then aside from design, you see element. Under element here, you can search for anything you want. Anything you want. Now let's select, let's look for, let's change this design completely. Let's look for office lady. Let me just say that and search. You can select either graph or picture. Let me select picture so that they can give me a real human. Now let me select this person. Yeah, this person, this one, this first one, to replace what I'm seeing. When you drag it on top, it will replace automatically. That is the beauty of Canva. You can see it will replace automatically, and you can change this particular one to your own preferred logo. Let me go to this particular upload. If you can, under here you see upload. When you click on upload, you can select and upload your own from your desktop or laptop or phone. Mind you, all these things we are doing is applicable to phone. You can do the same with phone. If you are having your phone, you want to use your phone, that is one good thing about it. Also, they have a mobile app that you can use for your phone and all that. So when you scroll down, yeah, you can put any logo you like here. Yeah, also you can change the name of this place. Let me change it to Show Tech. Yeah, change the name to Jotech. Then online course, online education. Let me say online course. Let me put that one here. Then you can change anything you want. Just try and test run that by yourself. Then if you come up here, the same thing is applicable to this particular one also. Yeah, you can put in your image like it's being done. You can come here, look, go to your upload file, go and bring in any image you want, but I don't want us to follow through that process. You can actually browse any image you want from this element. Let's go for to text. Under text, you have different text format you can use. Like this is add a heading. If you want to add a very bold text, you can select that one. It will say add a heading. You see, add a heading. Let's delete that. You can say add a text box. That one will appear very tiny. Look at it, very tiny. You see, but meanwhile you can increase it later. You can increase it by pressing this plus 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 plus. It's the thing you say, they say add your paragraph text is small letters. You can increase it to capital letters, all of them, by clicking on this small letter A and big letter A that is here. You understand? You can underline it. You can make a line stroke through. This is applicable to when you want to write a naira sign like that. So that is that about that. And if you want to make it to be faded, you can also come here, fade it inside. You see it's going, it's coming. Let me tell you, let me bust your brain with this Canva. You can use it to do video. That is one thing about it again. Video, you can use it to do video. You can use it to do motion graphics, and in our next class we'll learn how to do motion graphics with Canva. Yes, motion graphics, you hear me correctly, motion graphics. All these text you are seeing, they will move, they will slide in, they will slide out, they will move the way you want it, and it's very beautiful. Canva is very beautiful. Yeah, there are a lot of videos I've done with Canva, and you see that such videos shortly, as this is being done with Canva.
Introduction to asynchronous JavaScript, callbacks, promises, and async await. Asynchronous programming is key to building modern web applications. In JavaScript,
All that you just saw is being done through Canva. Every single thing that you see in that video is done through Canva from the beginning and to the end. What we do, you can change background. Like now, you can come to this particular place, you see background here, and if you don't see background there, you may not see background there. If you are opening your Canva for the first time, you go to apps, scroll down, you see different tools are there, different tools. You see background, you can click on it. Yeah, you can select any background you want for this. If you want it, if you want a normal plain color, black, green, blue, all those things, you can select. And if you want natural like this one, let me select this color, this background color, and see. You see the grass, the trees behind, because of the effect at it. See the background. If you want to see that, you have to delete that. So now see, if you want this, you see. So if you want any background color at all, you can apply it. So that is how it works. So you can put your logo here and edit the image as it pleases you. So in our next video, I'll show you how to remove background, how to add animation, yeah, and make your graphics to turn to video. Please do well to follow this channel, and let's explore together.